everybody. I am doing a quick tutorial on Quizizz. Now, Quizizz is a wonderful and fun assessment tool. First go to Quizizz.com, Quizizz.com, and then log in with Google. I'm going to choose this carryweb2004@gmail for my Gmail address. Okay, this is the basic interface of Quizizz. You can search for categories or topics. Over here on the left, you can create a new quiz. You can find a quiz, my quizzes, reports, collections, and memes. You can add your own memes. Profile settings, log out, and you can refer a friend because it is free program. So I'm going to create my new quiz. I'm going to put my title in, and then you can choose the language. And most wonderfully, you can align your quiz to the state standards. You can also choose an image from your files and click Save. Then you click the state of your standard, the topic, grade level, etc. And you've begun your quiz. So on the left side here, you create your own and you get to personalize all aspects, images, numbers of questions, text, etc. If you choose to teleport your questions, you can search for your topic area and pick up any quizzes that have been created on your topic. So here I'm just going to choose my English language arts topic. Some of these questions are not very good. I wasn't very happy with them, but I will go through and choose. You'll get to see what my quiz looks like at the end. So you can choose your questions. You can also pick and choose one or two questions from other quizzes that other people have created. So here is the list. You can edit any part of the questions that you like, the pictures, every question you can edit. You can make corrections. You can change the text and save. And you can also add images for every question. You can remove some of the choices. You can choose the length of time that students have to answer their questions. You can also tag the teak that you are actually using in your questions so that you can search by the teaks. And there is the question, the amount of time. And you get a preview on the right as well. So there we have it. You also have choices to share, edit, duplicate, print, and delete your quiz. You can, once you finish it, you choose the main search terms, the grade level, the topics, and save. And there's your quiz. You can also share it with your co-teachers, other students, other people in your school. There are your choices. And you can also there's all the information you can add to a collection, organize it however you like. And you can solo, homework, or live game. The live games in the classroom. We are choosing homework, and we're going to push it out as far as we can. For me, it was February 1st. And then before we click proceed, you can choose even more changes. If you want to make changes to the memes, you can. Scrolling back up, you proceed. When you proceed, then here it gives you the code. It gives you the code for the class. You can share it out to Google Classroom, to Edmodo, and You can also see the reports, some pretty cool reports, and see who's done this and who has not. It's really, really a cool program.